Hey, I'm sorry if that made you uncomfortable, but from time to time, I do entertain women in this house.
That thing tried to re-circumcise me.
Maybe that's why they call it a cockatoo.
I know what you're doing. It's not gonna work.
Whatever are you talking about?
I tell you I'm not moving in with Lindsay because I'm comfortable here, and 3 hours later, you put a giant penis-eating parrot in my room.
And you think there's a connection?
Yes, I think there's a connection.
Damn it. How do you get a guy to leave your house who doesn't want to go?
Tell him you missed your period and you're out of pot. It always worked for me.
Hey, Alan, how are you with the jumble?
Charlie? What are you doing in here?
Right now, the jumble. O-L-C-U-D.
Cloud!
Cloud. Thank you.
What are you doing in my bathroom?
Not much yet, but I have high hopes.
Come on, Charlie. This is ridiculous.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I making you uncomfortable?
Not enough to make me move in with Lindsay.
Okay. How about now? All right, bottom line. What would it take to make you want to move in with Lindsay?
For the last time, there is no conceivable circumstance where I would entertain leaving Malibu and moving in with Lindsay.
Next time you drop the soap in the shower, I'm gonna forget you're my brother.
Jake, your father's here! Hello, Alan. Charlie, how's it going?
Great. Did you hear Lindsay McElroy invited Alan to move in with her?
What? She lives right down the street.
I know. You and Alan would be neighbors. Cool, huh?
Now, hang on. I didn't say I was going to do it.
You bet your ass you're not gonna do it. I will not have my ex-husband living down the street from me.
So, you're saying that would make you uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable. It would drive me crazy. Jake, damn it, get a move on!
I'm moving in with Lindsay.
How's the pizza?
Awesome. It's a new takeout place. A little more expensive, but it's worth it.
And for dessert, we have red velvet cupcakes.
Oh man, those are my favorite.
Hang on, Eldridge. Something's wrong here. Are you sitting against a military school?
No. Why would you think that?
I don't know, 16 years of bargain pizza with fake